The following segment is sponsored by Cedarwood at Sandy. Are you looking for a place to live that features comfort, care, and community? Well, Brett and Caitlin are here to tell us all about the Cedarwood at Sandy expansion. Welcome to the show.
And thank you for having us.
All right, Brett, I'm going to start with you. Talk to us about this expansion because it sounds so exciting. What can prospective residents expect?
Yes, it's the perfect combination between having the peace of mind that you're safe, but also have that independent living. So we're downsizing. The units are 1,300 to 2,100 square feet. 29 cottages are being built in total with an addition of a clubhouse for them specifically. Okay. And it's just, you get your 2-car garage. You can be as much of the community or be independent, but have that comfort of being safe. And
so talk to us about the phase of openings. What's the timeline looking like?
Yes, so you know, with construction it can always be a little varying. Yes, but we're looking probably the early phase of March, April. There are 3 phases total, so by the end of the late summer we should be good to go for all 3 phases.
There we go. And we were seeing some pictures right there. These cottages are so beautiful, but what to you makes these designs stand out?
Absolutely. They've mixed our Utah color scheme with kind of the modern feel. So you kind of get that great neutral set, so then you can bring your personality and life to the cottages. You have the vaulted ceilings. Most of them have at least 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Some of them have an additional with the den. 0 stairs so that we can be safe at all times, including our garage. Just that one level is going to be that safe route for us.
And I just love using the word cottages because it's so cute. I love how we're using that word. All right. Caitlin, talk to us about the activities on the calendar.
Yeah, so we are going to offer a lot of different programming and activities. Every day we will be having fitness classes that will be led by certified instructors, which will include yoga, balance class, tai chi, kickboxing, and water aerobics. So there's something for everybody to join.
I love it. Fitness is so important to me, and I love that you guys are doing this. How do these classes, like you talked about fitness, pottery, and all these other things, enrich the residents' experience?
Yeah, so we always want to give our residents purpose and always want them to be involved. So whether it's fitness or trips to our national parks that we will be doing, along with theaters, we are having book clubs. Also, we have professors from the University of Utah coming to do different discussions with us, everything from health and wellness to tech classes.
Yeah, I love that. Why, I mean, and we just mentioned it, why is fitness so important to Cedarwood at Sandy?
Yeah, so we always want our residents to keep active and on the go and moving because it's so important to stay healthy and fit.
I love that. All right, both of you, thank you so much for being here. Where can we go for more information?
You see on the screen
there
here.
You go, that website right there.
Our website. You can also give us a call. We have 3 sales directors that are here and happy to help however we can.
Well, Britt and Caitlin, thank you so much for coming in.
Yes, thank you.